Before the screen assembly replacement, we need to check out the True Tone display function and whether it still works as usual or not. Long press to turn it off. Use a pentagon screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the phone. Pay attention to putting the screws aside well. Heat the heating pad to the temperature of 70–80 degrees Celsius. Place the screen face down on the pad for about 2 to 3 minutes. Fix the suction cup at the bottom of the phone. Lift the screen gently. Insert a pry piece underneath. Gradually move around the edge of the display. Separate the screen along the gap. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables, so don't try to remove it completely. Pay attention to the position of the cable to avoid damage. The angle should not be greater than 90 degrees to prevent breaking the flex cable. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the cable connector. Use a spudger slightly extricate the battery and the connector between the screen and motherboard. Detach the earpiece speaker flex cable. Remove the old display assembly. Here's the REPART screen assembly, a new replacement. Read the old screen data with the programmer. Start reading. Reading part is done. Connect the new screen assembly on the programmer. Start writing. The reason for this is to retain the True Tone function on the display, as everything in the iPhone is basically paired to each other. Place the old screen assembly on the heating pad. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws of earpiece cable and take out the earpiece. Tear off the protector of new screen assembly. Reassemble the earpiece cable on the new screen assembly. Tighten the screws. Pay attention to position of the grounding chip. Connect the display cable and touch cable. Connect the earpiece cable and battery. Long press to turn it on. Do some screen test first. Touch testing. (3D touch testing). True Tone testing. Light adjustment testing. All is working normally. Tear off waterproof adhesive. Make it adhere to the phone body. Press lightly with tweezers to make it adhesive. Tear off the film. Reassemble the display cable and touch cable. Reassemble the earpiece assembly and connect the battery. Install the shielding cover and tighten the screws. Take off the waterproof film around the frame. Buckle the phone screen and tighten the screws at the bottom. Turn it on. Thank you for your watching.